Pati, I don't know sir, if ma-recall ninyo yung lecture ko dati. Ang sinabi ko dati, 4 ho na idea yung sa UHC, they want to correct 4 major things. Una, yung geography. So, geography, kasi malayo yung provider, that is why they have the konsulta or yung yakap. Kasi eventually, mapipilitan yung provider pupunta sa barangay. Yan yun, primary care. The next problem ho is the absence of the provider. So what they're doing right now, maraming scholarship, sir. Scholarship sa doctors, sa nurses. They would want to flood the locality with doctors and nurses. Ongoing yan. Yung pangatlo, sir, is medicine na problem. So kaya ho yan, sir, lumabas ngayon yung yakap with medicine or yung gamot, di ba?
Yes.
With all the imperfection, lalabas yung gamot. Sir, if ma-recall nyo yung pang-apat na sinabi ko, eventually ho, they will play around on how to control the PF. Probably it will not happen in our lifetime, sir, but I'm sure doon yan. Yan yung
Sige po.
pang-apat, sir. I don't know if na-recall nyo. Nandun na yung tatlo eh. Yung pang-apat, sir, yung PF. Inuumpisahan nila sa case type Z. Yung controlled, yung contracted ang tawag nila dyan. Contracted na PF. In short, controlled yung PF.
Yes.
How to go about nationwide? Ewan ko, sir, paano? I don't know. Pero
Thank you,
maganda,
Doc.
sir. Okay
Yes.
po. Thank you po. Thank you, sir, sa input. Do you have other questions po? Doktora Nancy, may dagdag kayo? Nandito ba si Doktora Nancy? So, okay, ito. Can we write more than 12 or more than 20 if it's... Yeah, actually, Doc, ganito. Ang tanong, pwede bang more? Okay? So, doon ho sa mga kliyente ko, meron hong template. Noted, Dr. Nancy, may template ho kami. As of it is a blank sheet na may template, so they get to write everything there. So most of the time, sir, yung 20 o yung 12 kulang. Okay? So ang question dyan, Doc, is who arranges the 20? May primary ka na illness. Ngayon, sino ang susulat nung 12 na diagnosis at sino ngayon ang magsasala nung 20? For example, 25 yun. Alin doon ang uunahin na isulat? Kasi po sa ibang bansa, it's a matter of knowing the combination, Doc,